Hi, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. And if you've already subscribed, welcome back. This video is focused on my driving robot Discovery made of the fischertechnik, based on the TXT controller, running embedded Linux and in my case programmed in Python via Wi-Fi, powered by a battery pack, and the objective is to make a decision on the base of OBCV by detecting color separation, or color separation, and then by the amount of red in the image to distinguish where to go. Last time I made a histogram comparison and found out that the lower the comparison rate, the better it is, not the higher. Anyway, let's see how the program runs this time. And yes, I have to fill in the password, so that is a little bit awkward. Also, I have to make more occurrences of taking a picture with this camera. So I will have to change the algorithm a little bit. And for that, let's go to the software side and see how much I can change this time. Okay, so with webcam for the screencast, another cam on the robot, and once again one terminal for the coder, one for the output, and one to use the display command from ImageMagick to display images taken by this camera. Also, last time I had a problem while with the collision, when the robot collides with the objects. It has to be signaled with these switches, with these sensors, and now I have attached some electricity to hold the objects from moving away. Anyway, point is now that I think there are not enough moments that it captures an image. So let me check here. First line, and I am looking for camera. So, or camera action actually. And not in capitals. Okay, so that's one, obviously. And here we have the 2.5 seconds. It needs to actually start bring the camera online. However, here we have the first camera action, and that is on line 113. Yes, 114, a definitive action. When is the next one? 50 lines later. So all this time there's nothing being done while there is action. Here's absolute action being taken. So the question is, should I actually do something with the camera action? Well, here's another action. So why doesn't it do that? Let me. Okay, it does. That's just one. And next is right here, although it's commented out. So let me from here go backwards, and all this time there's no camera action. So is it necessary to have a camera action? That's a good question. Does it write? Because that is what you want. Probably not. So let's go. Let's go anyway and make some action. So after this code review, let's go. 2.5 seconds. Which is one heck of a long time, but it at least it says camera connected. And all the seconds that I type in the password, it doesn't do a thing. It does send images, but it doesn't even drive. And that's my problem. Now it does something with the course correction, considering the LED. That's wrong password then. Oh, look at that. That's elastics and not rope, so it just pushes it away. Okay, that's quick. I also have data. Let's start another one to review the data. I should have done it earlier, of course. And password to enter. And now so what do I see? I want contact. Does it have contact? Does it make contact? It should, because it pushes this whole thing away. But I do not see any contact happening. Contact 0, contact 0, contact 0, contact 0. Also all 0. Okay, nothing happening. Weird. Any images? That's another thing, of course. Let's go back a little. Or the last one, is that correct? TXT image is the only one. There's no black image, and here's a result. So, result 14, 10, 26. Okay. And that's one. Question is, of course, when did it happen? Before or after pushing away? That's the question. Right, new situation. The robot is back where it was, except that I have replaced the elastics by rope, as you can see here. Just a rope, not flexible at all. What happens now? Will I see actually, provided that the robot goes the same direction and the same thing, does the same thing, do I actually see a collision and a contact? Let's go. 2.5 seconds, of course, provided that the camera connects in the same way. Nope, it doesn't. And you see here a flashing screen. I don't like that, not a fan of that. Time passes, now it works, kind of. Yep. Alright. Come on, I want to see some action. Yep, okay, course correction. So now it goes to the object eventually. Okay, not quite sure what is touched or not. Will the road break anyway? I don't know. Okay, now the camera is taking pictures right here between the plates, so no red involved. Okay, quit. Time for reviewing the data. Once again, nothing. Going back, that is, can I go back or can I only go forward? Only forward. But no contact made anyway. With the battery at 7.8. Okay, I have to check this one. This is wrong. No, cancel. Calm, okay, yeah. Wrong one. Go. Check voltage 8. Okay, that's okay. No hurry there. But once again, zero contact. Not nice. I have to go to let's say 4014 20. So yeah, 20, 25. What's the difference? Not much, I'm afraid. Although this looks less far. And 39, I could try. Same thing. Okay, but no touch of the sensor. Disappointment. Also, 9990, this is high. Where do I see another one? Oh, that's another problem, of course. I haven't put that in the data file yet. I have to do that. So I have to still write it into the data file. Ouch. Okay, I have added to write the compare of the histogram to the data file. Haven't executed yet, that's for next time. And in the meantime I can also think of a way to speed up the driving, because now it's taken way too long before it starts driving. I don't like that. So that's coming up. Okay, so the compare rate is coming up next time. If you like this video, please subscribe via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. If you have a comment or suggestion, please let me know in the comments under the video. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. And if you like this and wish to support, you can do so via either IBAN, for that please see my website, or via PayPal, and you don't need an account for that, or via Patreon. And becoming a patron and have your name mentioned, if you like. Please for that see also my website and my Patreon page, which are mentioned under the video and after this section. This is obviously going to be continued. Stay safe, have a nice day, bye.